Amber Heard says she will stand by her evidence to my dying day as she spoke out during a TV interview after losing her defamation trial against ex-husband Johnny Depp. During an appearance on NBC Today, she told journalist Savannah Guthrie that she had been affected emotionally by the trial. She said, "How could it? Surreal and difficult in part, yes. This has been a long time coming." Asked whether she stood by her evidence, she said, "Of course, to my dying day I will stand by every word of my testimony. This was the most humiliating and horrible thing I have ever been through. I have never felt more removed from my own humanity. I felt less than human." During the interview, Savannah appeared to suggest that members of the public were disgusted by what played out in court between the couple. Amber replied, "Absolutely, I would not blame the average person for looking at this and how this has been covered and not thinking that this is Hollywood brats at their worst. But what people don't understand is that it is actually so much bigger than that. This is not only about our First Amendment right to speak." Johnny, 58, was awarded compensatory damages of $10 million, £8 million, and a further $5 million, £4 million, in punitive damages by a jury on Wednesday, June 1. The jury ruled that Amber's op-ed article, titled "I Spoke Up Against Sexual Violence, and Faced Our Culture's Wrath. That has to change," for the Washington Post about domestic violence had been defamatory. Amber was also awarded $2 million, £1, $5 million, in damages after it was found that one of the Pirates of the Caribbean actor's lawyers had defamed her, claiming she spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their stories straight before calling the police. Following the results of the trial, an expert claimed that Amber would struggle to find work in Hollywood again. This morning Sam Rubin appeared on the program to weigh in on what the verdict could mean for the acrimonious exes. Speaking remotely from Los Angeles, Sam said, "Will Johnny Depp resume his film acting career? Before I thought it was not at all probable. Now, I would describe it as remotely possible." He then hinted what could be next for the Aquaman actress, saying, "As for Amber Heard, I think it's going to be very, very difficult to pick up from here. Does she resume her life as an actress? It seems unlikely. Could she become an advocate or spokesperson of some sort? I think a parallel to Monica Lewinsky here in the States, I think that's possible."